What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to talk about a Star Wars set that I think might end up being a bad investment. So I know a lot of you absolutely love this set and have a lot of faith in it, and I initially did, but I think with how things are going, I think this might end up being a bad investment. Now, this is not my official answer. It's going to have I'll come up with that at the end, maybe when it does retire. But right now, things aren't looking that great. So I'll give my thoughts and opinions on the set. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. It'll definitely help the channel, it'll help the community. But let's dive into it. Today we're going to talk about the 501st Clone Trooper Battle Pack, item number 75345. This set retails for $19.99. Has 119 pieces, and you get 130 LEGO Insider Point. So almost all of you absolutely love the 501st Clone Troopers. I love them too. I think they're awesome. I love the blue. I think they are absolutely wonderful. But the problem with this set is that LEGO made too many of these. And it shows because it's been on sale ever since it came out. I mean, Walmart and Target pretty much have them listed for $15.99, $14.99, somewhere around there. And they've just been sitting on the shelf. They just haven't been clearing out. I think LEGO thought these were going to be a lot more popular than they were going to be. And I think LEGO made a big mistake. They should have made these types of sets in the hanger style. And I know we're done with the hanger styles, but I think LEGO is going to bring those back because those are typically sought after. Those drive people to the LEGO store. They're typically LEGO store exclusives, and I think these minifigures would have been awesome hanger styles, and it ultimately would have helped them in the end because there would have been less inventory in retirement. So there's just too many. It's just absolutely flooded. All my Walmarts just have a ton of these. Earlier in the year, I mean, my Walmart had like 40 of these. And battle packs are great, but not when they're just mass produced at just an insane level that ultimately drives down the price just because there's no rarity. If you make it readily available to everyone, it's not a good investment. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you think this is still a good investment? I think for it to earn a decent profit, I think you're looking at a 5 to 10 year hold. And when I say decent, maybe like $10 to $20. I just don't see this going berserk. And yeah, I think it's just a bad investment. A great set. I absolutely love it. It's awesome if you are army building. But for investing, no way. So let's take a look at some previous battle packs because battle packs are pretty popular. So we've got the Rebel Trooper Battle Pack. This one retail for $11.99. It's got a value of $34. The Snow Trooper Battle Pack retail for $11.99. Value of $30. Then we got some Knights in here, which is absolutely awesome. I hope we get these again in the future. Then we got the 7913 Clone Trooper Battle Pack, retail for $12.99, value of $99. 7914, the Mandalorian Battle Pack, $12.99. It's got a value of $63.50. And I bought the Mandalorian Battle Pack, not this one, and I pretty much got burned on that. Mandalorian sets kind of suck for investing. I bought mine for 15 bucks, and honestly, I've tried selling them for 15, and I haven't been able to sell them. They were a little bit cheaper on sale, but overall, I've kind of just turned away from battle packs unless they have something that's truly unique and really absolutely awesome, or if I am trying to army build, I'm gonna avoid battle packs. Like the previous battle packs were just really awesome, like the 75206, the Jedi and Clone Trooper Battle Pack, retail for $14.99, value of $49. Really impressive minifigures in a lot of these. And then you're probably looking at the much older ones, so you're probably saying these have done well, so why won't ours? Well, it's simple. Back in the day, LEGO did not produce as many sets like they're doing now, and that's why the prices are really great. I mean, the Elite Clone Trooper and Commando Droid Battle Pack, phenomenal set, retail for $12.99. It's got a value of $116. The Endor Rebel Trooper and Imperial Trooper Battle Pack, retail for $12.99, value of $43. There's just far less inventory than these. I would bet these have probably 10 times as more sets than all of these old battle packs. So now let's take a look at the previous 501st battle pack, which everyone loved this set. This is truly an awesome set. For investing, not so much. A lot of people still have faith in it, but I really don't think it's going to go up that much. This is item number 75280. This is the 501st Legion Clone Troopers. This one retail for $29.99. It's got a value of $36. This was on sale for a long time for 24 bucks, which is with at that price is pretty decent. But I just don't see this one going, you know, I don't know if we're going to hit $60. It will hit $60 on Amazon. It might already be $60, but at eBay, probably not. And then we got ours, which is the 501st, and some say this one is the winner because of the specialist, but I don't think that's going to do it. And then we got this one, the 501st specialist. This one's got a value of 503. This came in the magazine gifts, and honestly, I would expect this one to be a lot more. I think LEGO should have made the 501st a much more expensive set and a much bigger set, and that would have really helped the pricing, demand, and overall popularity. So let's take a look in depth of the 75280. So this one has 6 minifigures. It's got a value of $26.42 for all 6 minifigures, but it's got the retail value or typical value of $36.41. So this one only comes with one exclusive minifigure, and it's not doing that bad. Doing that good. So we got the 501st Clone Trooper pulling in $5.94. Then we got the 501st Legion Jet Trooper, which is an exclusive, is $6.04, and then the Battle Droid is $1.28. Typically, all Battle Droids, you gotta guess around, you're gonna get $1 for them. But this just tells me the exclusive minifigure in this one, the Jet Trooper, is pulling only $6. That the production levels just were off the chart for this, and it's going to be off the charts for this one too. It is off the charts. I've seen way more, I would probably say about 5 to 10 times more of these sets on the shelf than I did this battle pack. Or I shouldn't call it a battle pack because it's technically not a battle pack. But this one also comes with 2 vehicles, which is extremely awesome. This one you get this weapon, but I just don't think it's enough to pull it into a awesome level. So really quick, let's take a look at how this set is doing on eBay right now, which is the item number 75280. So we're pulling in 36 plus $6.99 shipping, 34.95, 743 shipping, $26 there, 29, 32, 42, 35, 32, 39, 28, 38. So not really the best. I mean, it's increasing. I just don't know how much it's going to keep increasing, especially on eBay. We're probably maybe looking at another $10 over the next few years. Let's check out on Amazon. Amazon's pulling in $61, so that's pretty decent on Amazon. But you have to remember, on Amazon, they sell for a premium. And let's take a look at how our set is doing on eBay right now. So we got 2 for $32, $13 plus 6 bid, with a $4.43 shipping, $14 plus free shipping, $16.50 plus free shipping, $15.99. So you're taking a pretty big hit. You're taking a major loss, especially offering this with the free shipping. $9.50, 11 bids, $7.71 shipping. So I just think the time of battle packs doing really well or really earning money on them is over. I'm betting a few years in the retirement of each battle pack coming out. Yeah, you'd probably have to part out the sets to probably earn the most, but that's just too much for me. I'm not in that kind of business yet. And one big catalyst that is a big factor in my opinion and why I think this is now a bad decision is the most recent Walmart set that came out. So this is item number 66787, the 3-in-1 Galactic set. Now I personally love these 3-in-1 sets just for collecting purposes, not investing, but the fact that our 501st was included in there tells me that this one has not been selling. There's way too much inventory, and that's why they get included in these sets, because LEGO typically groups them together on which ones that aren't selling and hopes to actually move them. Now I'm really hoping that this one goes on a deep discount, and they typically always do, so I'm going to keep an eye out on that. If I could pick it up for $35, yeah, I think that would be a pretty decent purchase. But overall, this was a big indicator for me. Now, I just really want to know, do you have faith in this set? Do you think that years down the line, this is going to be a great investment? Or do you agree? Do you think it's going to be a dud? You're going to avoid it? I'm going to avoid it. I'll probably buy only one pack just in case something rare and berserk happens, but I'm not going to buy a bunch of these. I think my days of buying battle packs are long gone. And with the previous 501st battle pack, or not battle pack, the 501st set, the Legion Clone Troopers, hasn't been doing the best. I think ours is just going to do very bad just because it's at a different lower level and pricing. And you have to look at eBay, because right now these are going to be selling this price till the end of the year, and then once the investors start unloading their inventory, it's going to drive down the price even further. That's the big thing that people do not realize when investing. You're going to have the wave investors that realizing that there's no money in this set, so they're going to undercut people, they're going to try and offer deals to get their money back so they can continue investing in other sets. That's what happens when you're Lego investing. So comment your thoughts and opinions down below. It will definitely help the channel and help the community. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.